Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the Windows Update error code 0x800f0922 on your computer. Many times you might come across the error message whenever you're trying to install this update. Now, there are a couple of steps to get this issue resolved. Now, the first thing what you will have to do is you will have to open the command prompt in the administrator mode. So you can, in the search window, you may go ahead and type cmd. As a best match, you would see the command prompt. Do a right click and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the command prompt open, you will have to go ahead and type the command lost lodctr space /r. You can copy and paste the command from the video description. You can do a right click. That should automatically paste the command. Once you have this command, hit enter. You would get a message saying that successfully rebuilt performance counted settings from system backup store. Once you get this message, you will have to go ahead and execute another command. You can copy and paste the command from the video description. You can do a right click and type the command winmgmt.exe space /resync F, which is a command to resync your Windows management instrumentation. Hit enter. Once these commands has been successfully executed, you may go ahead and close this window, restart your computer, and then try to install the updates and see if it works. If it works, you don't need to try the next step. After you executing this command, if you get this error message, the next step to get this issue resolved is to open the command prompt again. Go to the search window and type cmd. Once you have the best match for the command prompt, click on do a right click, run as administrator. And once you have the command prompt open, you will have to enter the other command to clean up image or the restore health. You can copy the command from the video description. You can do a right click and that should automatically paste the command. Once you have this command, you can hit enter. This will go ahead and deploy image servicing and management tool on your computer. Wait until the command has been successfully executed. Once the command has been successfully executed, close the command prompt window, restart your computer, and then you should be able to install the updates. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.